Welcome back to Amor. Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread little love during this Pujo season. Your pile is back with a Bengali Pujo look. So here we will start by prepping our face. You know prepping our face is very important. So first we'll start with toning. So for toner I am using Good Vibes Witch Hazel toner and it will instantly freshen up my face. So after toning my face I will be using my moisturizer. So I am using one of my favorite moisturizer from Neutrogena. It will hydrate my face. Not only that, it will help me to like my makeup will sit into my face very seamlessly. So after prepping my face I will start with my eyebrows today. So for eyebrows I am taking Sugar का 3-in-1 pencil and it has a spoolie in it. So मैं अपने eyebrows को comb कर लूँगी. Then after that I will fill up my eyebrows. Today I will make my eyebrows little thick. So make sure you line your eyebrows. Then you will fill your eyebrows. जहाँ पर आपका space जो खाली है आपके eyebrows के बीच में तो वहाँ पर आप धीरे से fill up करो. After that I am using a concealer from Maybelline. The shade is medium. And with the help of my finger I will spread the concealer in my eyelid as well as you can see how I am spreading it and seamlessly I am blending it above my eyebrow so that कि वो बहुत sharp दिखे. You should always take the concealer or 1 tone or 2 tone lighter than your foundation so that कि आपके जो colors है that will pop up and जो under eye का जो area है वो आपका थोड़ा brighten up लगे. यूजुअली हमारा जो आईलेट पोर्शन होता है या फिर अंडर द आईज होते हैं वो थोड़ा सा डार्कन होता है फ्रॉम दी होल फेस. टू मिनिमाइज दैट वी यूज दी मतलब हम लोग थोड़ा 1-2 शेड कम वाला कंसीलर यूज करते हैं लाइटर जो लाइटर होता है. सो आफ्टर दैट विद द फिट मी पाउडर मैं अपने आईज को सेट कर दे रही हूँ सो दैट कि कोई भी क्रीज लाइन ना आए, कोई भी मतलब हार्श लाइन ना दिखे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम टेकिंग अ ऑरेंज शेड. थोड़ा ऑरेंज जो लाइटर शेड का है तो आई एम टेकिंग दैट शेड एंड देन आई एम अप्लाइंग इट इन माई क्रीज एरिया. सो ऑलवेज टेक अ लाइटर शेड सो दैट कि आपको ट्रांजिशन फील हो. द शेड इज लिटिल पीच कलर तो वो मेरे आईज पे थोड़ा ट्रांजिशन कलर की तरह हेल्प करेगा. एंड देन यू हैव टू ब्लेंड इट प्रॉपरली. बहुत अच्छे से आपको ब्लेंड करना है. देन आई एम टेकिंग अ dark orange color and then I am applying in the outer corner of my eyes. First of all, see how I am just dabbing the color and then I am blending the first color with the second color, like the first peach color with the orange color. So after that I am using the concealer and I will do a cut crease. So मैं अपना एक flat brush, छोटा सा एक flat brush ले रही हूँ and then and मैं बहुत अच्छे से उसको एक क्लीन सा लाइन, सी आई एम ड्राइंग अ क्लीन लाइन सो दैट कि जो मेरा कलर प्लेसमेंट हो वो बहुत क्लीन लगे. सो हेयर आई एम टेकिंग अ डार्क ग्रेइश कलर फ्रॉम द सेम पैलेट फ्रॉम शुगर and the palette name is Warrior. Generally what people does कि तो थोड़ा outer corner में थोड़ा dark color लेते हैं, but today I wanted to experiment a thing that कि मैं inner corner से थोड़ा सा dark color ले रही हूँ. From the same palette I am taking a champagne color, gold color moreover, and then I am placing it in my जहाँ पर मेरा को eyeball feel होगा, then I am placing the color. Then I will cleanly blend all the colors in. After that I am taking a sparkle eyeliner and this I have got from a local market and then I am just, it's optional, you can do it or you can skip it also. तो मैं इसको अपने जहाँ पर मेरा कट पीस का लाइन है I will draw it over there. Then the same thing you will repeat in the lower line also. थोड़ा सा मैं peach color as well as the जो dark orange color जो मैंने लिया था I will just put it in the lower lash line as well so that वो एक थोड़ा effect लगे. Now from the same palette I will be taking the champagne color जो कि मैंने अपने eyelid पे लगाया था. The same color in the inner corner of my eyes as well. For the face I am using Fit Me foundation. ये थोड़ा lighter color आपको दिख रहा होगा but guys ये बहुत oxidize होता है. This is a full coverage foundation. You don't need any concealer. आपको कोई concealer का ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. But the thing is that I have taken a 1 shade lighter than my face because ये बहुत ही ऑक्सीडाइज होता है, लाइक आफ्टर 2-3 आवर्स, का आफ्टर आपको लाइक 1 घंटे बाद ही आपको लगेगा कि आपका जो फाउंडेशन है वो आपके फेस के साथ सिट हो गया है, लाइक और बहुत जल्दी वो आपके फेस के साथ इट विल डिजॉल्व, लाइक आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि आपने 1 शेड लाइटर फाउंडेशन खरीदा है. आफ्टर दैट मैं अपने अंडर आइज एज वेल एज फेस को पाउडर कर रही हूँ सो दैट माई फाउंडेशन सिट्स वेल. आफ्टर दैट आई एम यूजिंग अ ब्लश फ्रॉम शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स and the color is like little pinkish tone, so I am applying it in my apple of my cheeks to afford, मतलब मैं थोड़ा सा इसको अपने हायर पॉइंट्स लाइक अपने थोड़ा सा ईयर के पास तक लेके जा रही हूँ, यू कैन सी इट. आफ्टर दैट आई विल बी डूइंग अ कॉन्टूर फ्रॉम द सेम पैलेट टू गिव अ लिटिल ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट. So now I am taking a black kajal from Lakme. It's an iconic kajal, and then I am doing a very dark black, like it's a very dark jet black color, and then I am just doing a very bold black eye because you know Bengalis love to have like bold kajal and a very wing eyeliner. After that I am applying a highlighter from the same palette, Sugar Cosmetic, and it's a very 3-in-1 palette. You can get a blush, you are getting a contour as well as highlighter, so you don't need 3 more products, other products, you are getting in 3-in-1. And then I am applying it in my cheekbones, like a little bit above the cheekbones or in the cheekbones you can apply it. And now most favorite part of my face is the lipstick, so I am applying a Swiss Beauty red lipstick, and trust me guys, it's a very pigmented as well as like it's very gorgeous red color. So and after that I am taking Maybelline's highlighter and I am applying it in the upper portion of my lips as well as the lower portion and wherever I want to highlight more. But guys, my look is still not completed, but I will do my eyeliner and then I will finish up my look. And now I am using a eyelash curler to curl my eyes. Be careful guys, because it's a, like if you're a beginner, don't use it, like use it very carefully, and you just look up and then you apply. And after that I'm using a mascara from Blue Heaven, and trust me, it's बहुत ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल है and आपको 120-110 में मिल जाएगा, and you are good to go. like आप everyday sort of look के लिए you can carry it. And guys, now I am applying the most trickiest part, that is eyeliner. So I will draw a very bold eyeliner, and I am using the liner from Lakme Absolute Collection, the Jet Black Shine Liner. So I will draw a wing. So here I want to add a little, like don't judge me because I am not a makeup artist or a makeup pro, and this is what I love to do it. It's the way of doing it, and if you like it then you can also carry it out, and this is what I want to just want to add it. So guys, with that I've completed my look, and with that I am adding up some jewelries and sari, and I'm good to go. And here is my complete Bengali look.
With it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly.